In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Excel's bit version, whether it's the 32-bit or 64-bit version. Knowing which version of Microsoft Excel you are using can help you ensure compatibility with certain add-ins and help optimize your system's performance. So let's jump right in and find out how to check it swiftly and easily. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Excel on your computer. To do this, simply locate the Excel icon either on your desktop or through your Start menu and click to open it. Once Excel is up and running, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you will find the ribbon, which is essentially your command center for all things Excel. What you need to do next is click on the File tab. This action will lead you to a new menu area with several options to choose from on the left-hand side. Now, scan through these options and look for the one that says Account. This is where we are aiming to go next. So go ahead and click on Account. After doing so, you will notice that the right side of your screen now displays various details related to your Office Suite subscription. Take a moment, if you wish, to glance at these details. However, the most important part for our task here is to focus on the About Excel section. With your eyes on the right side of the screen, locate the About Excel button and click it. This click will prompt a pop-up window to appear, and it is here that you will find the information you're looking for. At the top of this window, you'll see a line of text specifying what version of Excel you are using, either 32-bit or 64-bit. This simple line confirms the version, making it crystal clear. Understanding which version of Excel you're running can be essential, especially if you are dealing with specific software requirements or troubleshooting issues. Additionally, many add-ins or plugins are designed to work only with specific versions, so knowing this detail ensures that you don't run into any roadblocks while using Excel's powerful features. By following these steps, you'll quickly be able to determine whether you have the 32-bit or 64-bit version of Excel. And there you have it, a straightforward way to check the bit version of your Microsoft Excel. We hope this guide has been helpful to you, making your work with Excel that much smoother and more productive. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more tips and troubleshooting guides like this one.